थैंक यू गाइस एंड नॉट फेयर। अमिताभ बच्चन के बाद तुम एक स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर को बोल रही हो स्पीच दो, तो माँ निर्मला सेवानी के बाद माँ माँ आपके बाद कौन सुनेगा मुझे? अब कोई नहीं सुनने वाला, सारे सुनेंगे। ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट देन। क्या बात करें माँ। ओके देन लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एन एक्सरसाइज गाइस, कम ऑन। हेलो 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 हाय hey come on, so let's start with an exercise today, right? Let's take your hands like this, come everybody, come on. When I say 1 2 and 3 we'll clap, okay? So let's start. 1 2
Hello, boss.
I didn't say 3. Oh shit. So I didn't say 3, you guys are not listening.
Malik.
है ना?
Hello.
Okay, so let's try it once again. Now be and look at me very carefully and repeat it. Right? Do a wow. And when I say 1 2 3, look at me, okay? And listen carefully. 1 2 3. Put it on your chin. Chin, I say, chin. You guys are still not listening to me, huh? What is happening? Come on, Anna. So come on, guys. Let's hear now. Okay, I've heard it's extremely difficult to take your tongue out and smile. Let's try. Come on, try. Come on, try. Take your tongue out and smile. Sona ji, try. Come on. Can you take your tongue out and smile? Right? Why do you need to tell me to smile? When you can take your tongue out and smile, why you require a fat person like me? To come and ask you guys to smile. Come on. Smile should come from within. Happiness should come from within, from here. I've come up with some jokes just for laughs, okay? And I'm going to ask a lot of questions. I'm going to go table to table, so nothing comes for free. We all are here, and let's answer these questions of mine. When you say sorry, जब आप किसी से माफ़ी मांगते हैं, it's not that you're upset या you're sorry with something. It's just that कि आप उनकी respect इतना करते हैं, you're telling that person sorry, right? So when a person is wrong and he says sorry, he is honest. But when a person who is not sure and says sorry, he is wise, right? Now my third question. When a person who is right and he says sorry, what do you call that guy? No. Ma'am, no. My wife will answer that correctly. That person is called husband. Right? So when the person is not wrong, and my wife tells me, when I started this company, I named it Tyagi Talks. And when I get angry, this is just for this audience here, please बाहर जाके मत बोलना. When I get angry, my wife tells me Tyagi Box. Right? So it's a mix of everything that you do, guys. So I've got this joke, and I'm going to refer to this sheet again and again. I went to the parlor today, and when I came back, I asked my wife, कैसा लग रहा हूँ? Shave कराई, haircut कराया. So my wife looks at me and says, बंद था क्या? She didn't realize कि मैं इतना सब कुछ करके आया. There's this guy who goes, माँ होती है. माँ का शब्द ना, माँ is something very, माँ is the word. I think there's nothing bigger than माँ. Wherever we go, माँ is माँ. एक बेटा अपनी वाइफ को कहता है माँ तो माँ होती है, और उसकी वाइफ को बहुत गुस्सा आता है. कहती है मैं तुम्हारे लिए इतना सब कुछ करती हूँ और तुम कहते हो माँ तो माँ होती है. इसलिए आई कैन प्रूव इट टू यू. कहते प्रूव करके बताओ. कहते जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था मेरी माँ की सहेली आती थी, और जब वो कहती थी कितना अच्छा लड़का है, मेरी माँ कहती थी घर ले जाओ 2-3 दिन, तब पता चलेगा. और जब तुम्हारी सहेली घर आती है और बोलती है तुमने कभी ये बोला है कि इसको घर ले जाओ और देखो कितना अच्छा लगता है. सो माँ तो माँ होती है. One more thing on माँ which is very very critical. A 5-year-old boy goes to his mother and says, माँ I love you. माँ I love you. माँ looks at the 5-year-old guy and says, I love you too beta. When the boy turns 16, माँ goes and says, he goes to his mother and says, माँ I love you. माँ तो माँ है. माँ कहती कितने पैसे चाहिए बताओ. When he turns 26, he says, माँ I love you. माँ कहती कहाँ रहती है, क्या नाम है उसका. When he turns 40, he says, माँ I love you. माँ says, मैंने बोला था ना उससे शादी मत करना. And when माँ turns 50 and the boy goes and says, माँ I love you, she says, कुछ भी करा लो उस पेपर पे साइन नहीं करूँगी मैं. So a mother is a mother, and sorry I'm referring to this today. My wife asked me one day, she's sitting there, Preeti say hi to people. There she is. She asked me one day कि मैं तुम्हारे सपने में आती हूँ क्या? ऐसे ये भगवान माँ तो छोड़ दो यार. She asked me तुम्हारे सपने में आती हूँ, ऐसे नहीं आती हूँ. She gets very upset. She says मैं तुम्हारे सपने में क्यों नहीं आती हूँ? तो I said मैं रोज हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ के सोता हूँ. आपको पता है क्यों? कि उसमें लिखा है भूत पिचास निकट ना आवे जब महावीर जब नाम से आवे. राइट. सो आई गॉट अ ब्लैक आई. उसके बाद मैंने बहुत नाटक करना पड़ा कि सोफे से लग गया, ट्रिप हो गया. उनका पंच इज लाइक माइक टाइसन टू मी, यू नो. सो शी फाइट्स. अब आफ्टर दिस हमेशा हम कहते हैं वुमन एम्पावरमेंट, वुमन शक्ति, महिला की शक्ति. आई थिंक दैट्स द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, रियली द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. क्यों? किसी भी सर्दी के मौसम में रजाई खींच के दिखा दो. राइट? नॉट एट ऑल. वुमन की शक्ति वहाँ कहाँ जाती है मुझे पता नहीं यार. वो रजाई वापस आती है. You can't pull that thing. So guys, you know, there's so many beautiful people. Ma Nirmala Chawani, I think that was just amazing. Amazing. This is the first time I've heard a meditation, I think, out of the world. Right? And it's just amazing. And there's so many people, you know, the chief guest, while Barsha was reading her achievements, it took so much of time. I think मेरा show खत्म हो जाता है उस time में. There's so much of achievements, ma'am. I think it's an honor. It's a real honor that people like you were getting an opportunity to speak to people like you, right? It's so important that I got this thing, and you know, thanks to Neha, wherever she is, that this. वीरेंद्र कहाँ दिखा रहे हैं?
Backstage.
अच्छा, backstage. He's showing up. I said नहीं यार. So
She's around.
she's around. So it's so important that we're standing here and speaking to people. What is happiness? कभी किसी ने सोचा है क्या है खुशी? Why do you require people to tell you to be happy? जब हम 5 साल के छोटे बच्चे थे, can you count your happy moments? कभी सोचा है? हम 5 साल के बच्चे को हमें ना खुश करना पड़ता है to be unhappy. उसको हमें टोकना पड़ता है बहुत हो गया, अब बस करो, अब चुप बैठो, अब बहुत हंस लिए, बहुत हंसोगे तो रोगे. कहावत है ना, बहुत हंसोगे तो रोते हैं. हम 5 साल के बच्चे को इतनी खुशी होती है, then what is happening to us? Why are we like this? Why do we need people? Why do we need to tell people to smile? Where is it gone? आप rewind करो. Look at our grandparents. Look at our parents. They crack jokes among the family. एक दूसरे का पाँव खींचते थे. I think they worked the hardest. 9 से 5 की वो नौकरी बहुत टफ नौकरी होती थी. And then they used to come home and work hard as well. But एक दूसरे का पाँव खींचते थे. A family that can take jokes, crack jokes, and take jokes are the family that unites. हमेशा याद. Right? Don't get scared. Get up, stand straight and say, I am the best. Try. कल सुबह उठो और 3 दिन के लिए बोलो, I am the best. There's nothing that is going to stop me. And believe me, nothing is going to stop me. I'll give you an example. Very, very funny. कोई आज मुझे कह रहा था, एक आदमी एक ही शर्ट में दिखाई दे रहा है. यार मैं तब नौकरी में था, तब अच्छी शर्टें थी, नौकरी छोड़ दी तो एक ही शर्ट रह गई, और इसी शर्ट में हर फोटोग्राफ खिंचाए जा रहा हूँ, नॉट रियलाइजिंग इन नेहा एक ही फोटो छाप देगी हर जगह. बट दिस इज द देयर शी कम्स. सो दिस इज द फोटोग्राफ दैट आई एम मोस्ट इन. लेट मां गो. So this is the thing where was I? Sorry, I let Ma go. So the photograph, how this was. So why you don't need people to tell you to smile? As I told you, people who are there. Okay, so people who are there, ancestors, if you look at them, they smile. So why do you need people to tell you to smile? Tell me guys, why do you need people to tell me ma'am, how many times do you smile in a day? Wow, please come with me on the stage. Yeah? No, please take my job. So I was coming to this. So look at her, yeah, she smiles infinite number of times. Tell me one thing, seriously, when you smile, Is there anything that comes your way at that time? Is there anything painful also? Does it go away?
Yes,
It does?
Yeah.
The name.
my name's Neha.
So that's Neha Singh, right?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
And when she smiles infinite number of times, the pain goes away. So guys, why do you need people to tell you to smile? Sorry, I was coming to something which I have this thing. So, hi, कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? नहीं? बोल लो. So, coming back to where I was, get up in the morning and say, I am the best. Don't miss that out. When I get up in the morning and I told somebody, I told them, सुबह उठ के सबसे पहले क्या कहते हो? So the very young guy, he must be about 22 years, corporate life में था. He get up and says, मैं सुबह शीशे के सामने जाके कहता हूँ, उठ गया साले. अब क्या करेगा? Get up in front of the mirror and say, I am here today. And as I was saying, try this at home for the next 3 days. Get up and say, I am the best. Today, nothing is going to come in between me and my success. And believe me, there is nothing that is going to come in between you and your success. We have paid a very heavy price today. We have paid a heavy price in science and technology for this generation to be comfortable. Do you agree with me that today's generation is the most comfortable generation? It is. जो रॉयल्टी नहीं खरीद पाई, हम वो सब चला रहे हैं. 100 horse power, 200 horse power, 300 horse power. Are we happy? Are we happy? We have paid really heavy prices. Now, I will spell something out for you. Stress or stress. S-T-R-E-S-S-E-D. Spell it backwards for me. Deserts. So whatever is stressful today will give a sweet journey later. Always believe that. Fight with yourself. Understand how important it is. Now, I'm going to tell you guys some mantras of how to be happy. When you go back to work, leave home behind. Don't take your home to work. And when you come back home, leave your work behind. This COVID period literally helped me to understand how beautiful my wife is. In my corporate job from 8:30 to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, midnight, I never got to know. I never got to know that she cracks equal number of jokes as I do. She does so many things as I do. So it is so important for us to smile. Now, as I was telling you a real life story, I left my job and I started Tyagi Talks. Everybody was putting in a lot of things on Facebook. 100 likes, 200 likes, 300 likes, wow, 500 likes. Suddenly my father, जिनके पास एक नया मोबाइल आया, he puts WTF. I said, hey? Suddenly the likes stopped. Suddenly the comments stopped. And everybody is looking at my father's thing saying WTF. हमारे मतलब में तो एक ही आता है WTF, या? तो I was amazed. I called my dad and said, ये क्या किया आपने? मेरे 500 लाइक से 1000 लाइक थे, आपने बंद करवा दिए. He said, बेटा, I know you so well. तुम इतना अच्छा कुक करते हो. What the fun? और मुझे हमेशा लगा WTF कुछ और ही होता है. So, how it is that unintended humor. What is unintended humor is what our fathers, our grandfathers taught us. Right? I will tell you one more story. In pursuit of happiness, and then we'll end the session and I'll continue later. Of what is it? A crow. एक कौवा है, बहुत ही अपसेट है अपनी स्टेट से. Black in color, काएं करते रहता है. He goes to a swan and says, Mr. Swan, you're so white, you're so beautiful. आप पानी में रहते हो. You must be the most happiest person. The swan says, no, I'm not. Look at the parrot. Green color, blue color, lal tinge around the neck. The parrot should be more happier than me. So the crow goes to the parrot and says, Mr. Parrot, are you the most happiest person in the world? The parrot says, no, not me. The peacock is. कितने multicolored हैं peacock. Such amazing colors of light. And the peacock looks at him and says with a smile, एक पीकॉक जोक भी क्रैक करता है उसके साथ। कहता है एक तो मैं जू में हूँ, तुम नहीं हो, और सेकेंडली जब बारिश पड़ती है और मेरे बैक साइड पे इतने सारे फेदर्स हैं, मुझे पता चलता है मैं क्या लेके चल रहा हूँ। तो इसे जब तुम लोग आके ताली बजा के मुझे नाचने को कहते हो, मैं नाच नहीं रहा हूँ, वो जो बोझा है ना वो पानी निकाल रहा हूँ। सो ही स्माइल्स एट द crow and says, I'm not happy. The crow is very upset. He says, खुश कौन है फिर? Why are we not happy? हमारी वेदास and in the Vedas, it is written in old times. There are two types of happiness. एक है प्रिया और एक है श्रेया. Right? And this is the answer to everybody who is in pursuit of happiness. What is priya? Priya is something that lifts you down. It is instant, but at the end, it will pull you down. So what is priya? An example of priya, the second helping of ice cream. मुझे पता है मेरा फैट बढ़ेगा, पर मैं खाऊंगा जरूर. The second रसगुल्ला, the third drink. मुझे पता है मुझे डायबिटीज, मुझे कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, but I will have it. That instant happiness will lead to a lot of issue. The last thing is Shreya. Shreya is something which is very difficult, but at the end, it gives you amazing results. Getting up at 5 in the morning and exercising, right? Getting up at 5 in the morning and having a very disciplined life. If you ask me, I was so scared of public speaking. अगर कोई मुझे स्कूल में कॉलेज में कहता कुछ बात करनी है, मैं पीटी उषा का ट्रेनर भी बन सकता था. I used to run so fast. Now don't ask me to run. मैं वहाँ भी नहीं पहुँच पाऊँगा and I'll get into the pool. And then I'll end it up with a very funny incident that a family had, which you guys should know. It is so funny that you guys will, I don't know what you guys will do laughing. So I will end with a line and then I will tell you that story. आमले का खाया और बड़ों का कहना हमेशा बाद में पता चलता है. Always remember this. Amla, when you put it in your mouth, it is extremely bitter, but after that it's giving you the sweet taste. और बड़ों का कहना हमेशा पता चलता है. Now coming to the story. Me and my family had gone to Kerala. Kerala में we were staying in a resort like this. और उन गधों ने रिसेप्शन के बाद ही पूल बना रखा. हम थके थके रिसेप्शन पे I went and I got my entire family the rooms. लिनिन की वाइट पैंट पहना हुआ स्मार्ट बंदा, ग्रीन शर्ट. I turned from the reception. My wife calls me and मैं बहुत डरता हूँ. मैं भागा गया, not realizing कि आगे पूल है. And when I was running, I was deep into the pool. मेरी लिनिन की पैंट चिपक गई and I couldn't come out of the pool. So everything was clear. And I didn't know what to do. And मैं वहीं खड़ा ऐसे and everybody is looking at me. गुड़गांव वाले, दिल्ली वाले, बॉम्बे वाले, गुजरात वाले, चेन्नई वाले, and I am just standing stunned. फिर लोग आए टॉवेल लेके. उन्होंने कहा सर बाहर निकलो. मैंने कहा मैं बाहर नहीं निकल सकता, मैं वेस्ट हाइट में था. मैंने कहा बाहर नहीं आऊँगा जब तक तुम मेरा टॉवेल मेरे पास नहीं फेंकोगे. मैं टॉवेल लिया, टॉवेल लपेटा, and then I slowly moved out of the pool. Believe me, स्पोर्ट्स शूज़ मैं एक स्टेप ले रहा हूँ और टॉवेल ऐसे पकड़ा हूँ. The towel should not go out. Then I take the second step ahead like this. It's splashing throughout and people are pulling it with the wipers. That scene, the next day in the morning जब हम breakfast कर रहे हैं टेबल पे, and this is more funnier than what it was. एक आंटी आके कहती है बेटा कल आप वही थे ना टॉवेल में. ऐसा आंटी मैं टॉवेल में नहीं था, मैं पैंट में था, टॉवेल उसके ऊपर था. And everybody in that hotel, everybody, the 2 days I was so ashamed. मैं जब लास्ट में खाना खाने जाता था, because everybody realized he is a towel man. तो पैड मैन और ये सब बाद में बना था, टॉवेल मैन पहले मैं था. Right, so I'll come back from this session again. Thank you so much guys. Where is Barsha?